Hello students, this is Rakesh Misra present before you with a topic in English literature, the play Tempest. I am going to deal with Act 1 Scene 1 explanation. The opening scene is the keynote of the entire drama because it is reflecting towards the title of the play Tempest. In this scene, the ship is going to be wrecked, the ship is going to be damaged, broken. Who rage storm? Who rage tempest? This become a question. Already I made you understand. It was Prospero. By using of his magic power, he is going to raise the storm in order to teach a lesson to the conspirators. Actually, it was the marriage of Christabel, the daughter of King Alonso. After marriage celebration from Africa, King Alonso along with his well-wishers and friends are returning hometown. It was very good opportunity after 12 years to Prospero in order to take avenge of the conspiracy and sin which was committed by Alonso and Antonio. Almost all the culprits are together. Who are the conspirators? Who are the culprits? Antonio, the usurping Duke of Milan, Alonso, the King of Naples, all the distinguished personality, all the sublime personality, great personality. So King of Naples, Naples and Milan both are the part in Italy. Actually, Alonso is King of Naples. Right now, usurping Duke of Milan, Antonio. So first King Alonso, next one Antonio, next brother of Alonso, that is Sebastian, next counselor and minister of Alonso, that is Gonzalo, son of King Alonso, Ferdinand. So all the distinguished and sublime personality are in the ship. After 12 years waiting, Prospero is going to get wonderful opportunity, very good opportunity to take avenge of past grudges. So who is returning? Alonso along with his well-wishers and friends. When after the marriage of his daughter Christabel. Okay. So in this way it was Prospero who ordered his airy spirit, very dedicated and faithful servant, that is Ariel, to raise the storm, to raise the tempest. Okay. And this is why this scene is going to begins with the tempest, the storm, a kind of cyclone that was created, not natural, just in revenge of Prospero to Alonso and Antonio. It's clear? So in very beginning of the scene, you'll find there is a cry and commotion created. As a result, suppose you are in a ship, you are in a sea, you are in a river, and your boat or your ship in the middle phase. And at that time there is a cyclone, there is a furious storm. What you feel? Now the people who are in the ship, they are crying bitterly, they are shrieking for the help. Similar condition is there. This is why master, who is master? Master of the ship, that is captain, is giving order to boatswain and officer in the ship and mariners too. So from there conversation is going on to pass out order from upper to lower. Means captain is giving to boatswain. Boatswain means an officer in the ship, and that boatswain is giving to mariners, to the sailors. No ordinary person sitting in that ship. Who are in the ship? Some noble personality, great personalities, distinguished personalities. So they are coming one by one to such distinguished personalities like Alonso, but who is very noble one, good one here, decent conversation. But evil-minded person Sebastian, along with the Antonio, always evil in action too, because they are evil-minded. So there would be hard talk with the officer of the ship, that is boatswain, who is eccentric, short-tempered. So just see the line. Master, boatswain, hello boatswain, here master, here I am master. What cheer, what's your pleasure? So now, first of all, captain is saying that, hello boatswain. Boatswain is saying that, yes master, what's your pleasure? What can I do for your happiness? Mariner, good, speak to the mariners. Tell to the sailors, tell to the mariners. Fall to the yearly means keep on start working. Or we run ourselves aground. We run ourselves aground means otherwise our ship will run into the sand. Otherwise our ship will run into the shallow water. So first of all, master captain is saying that, oh boatswain, oh the officer of the ship, just give instruction and be in touch to all the mariners. We are at the risk, otherwise our ship will go into the sand. Be still, be still. Be still, be still means be quick, be quick. Enter mariner, boatswain. Hey, my heart, cheerly, cheerly, my heart. So he, my heart means hurry up, my brave mariners. Cheerly my heart means be full of enthusiasm, be excited. In this regard, boatswain is going to pass out order of the captain to the mariners by saying that, oh my brave mariners, be excited, be with enthusiasm. Why? Because the condition is going to be worse on account of sudden raging of the tempest in the sea. Yer means quick. Take in the topsail means remove the topsail. Tend to the master whistle. Always follow the whistling sound of the master, of the captain. It means boatswain is giving instruction to the mariners and also encouraging them just by saying that, oh my brave mariners, be alert, be ready to face up any challenges, because time is going to be very worse. Hence, you'll have to follow the signal, the whistling sound of the master. Blow till thou burst thy wind. Blow means blows hard, so long when we have open sea. Blows till the burst thy wind. Burst thy wind means fast wind. A blow means keep on blowing. Further, boatswain is giving instruction to the mariners by saying that keep on blowing so long when we long have open sea, because we have broad sea and there is blowing of the fast wind. So ready to face the challenges that is sudden created by the tempest. So blow till thou burst thy wind, if room enough. If room enough means so long as we have the, actually there is a broad sea, so there is enough sea scope to manage to handle the situation. Enter Alonso, Sebastian, Antonio and Ferdinand. Actually, this type of tempest when raged in the sea, definitely the passenger in the ship, royal passenger already there. They are of great personalities, not ordinary distinguished one. So that's why they appeared one by one and creating interruption to them. But Alonso, good boatswain, have care. Have care means be careful. So now Alonso, the king of Naples, is giving instruction to the officer of the boat, that is boatswain, by saying that have care means be careful. Where is the master means where is the captain. Play the main. Play the main means face the storm with courage. Play the main means face the storm with courage. Who came? Alonso. Who is Alonso? The king of Naples. To whom he is asking? He is asking about the captain. What he is asking? Be careful, be very vigilant, because the time is going to be very worse, very tough, and play the main means face the storm with courage. Boatswain, I pray now keep below. So this is very further boatswain is saying that to the king, O king, please be below means be inside of your cabin. Antonio, where is the master boatswain? Very further Antonio came, and Antonio very evil-minded person, usurping Duke of Milan, brother of Prospero. So he is saying, where is master, where is captain? Actually they are of royal passenger, that's why not talking to ordinary one, they will definitely talk to royal one, great one, boatswain. Do you not hear me? Are you not listening to me? You mar our labor. You mar our labor means you are going to creating interference in our work. You are going to creating interference in our work. Keep your cabin, to be in your cabin. Keep your cabin means to be in your cabin. You do assist the storm. Otherwise, you will help a storm to destroy us. You do assist the storm means otherwise you help the storm to destroy it. Now boatswain short-tempered, very irritable type of person. He is saying that, are you listening? You are going to create interruption in our work, and this task of you will help the storm to destroy us. Gonzalo, no good, be patient. No good fellow. Be patient means have patience. So now Gonzalo is saying that, oh good fellow, boatswain, have the patience, have the patience. Who is Gonzalo? Minister of King Alonso. Boatswain, when the siege means I will have the patience when the sea will be calm. When the siege means when sea will be calm, when sea will be calm, sea will be okay, means no storm, no tempest, then I would have patience. Hence, what cares means, but right now go away. I don't care at all whatever instruction you are giving. Roars for the name of king. Roars for the name of the king means thunder and storm do not care the instruction of king. Now boatswain became very irritable and just saying that this thunder, lightning and storm do not bother to the instruction and order of the king. This is why just go to your cabin. Don't be here creating interference in our work. To the cabin, silence, trouble us not. Be quiet. Trouble us not mean don't trouble us. Don't create any interference more. Gonzalo, good yet remember whom thou hast aboard. So now Gonzalo also going to be angry and just by saying that good yet means good, but remember whom thou hast aboard. Whom thou hast aboard means who are your passenger. Gonzalo, the minister of King Alonso, is saying that boatswain, the officer of the ship, keep in the mind one thing. Who are your passenger right now? I'll be calm, I'll be patientful, I'll be in my cabin. But keep in the mind who are your passenger. Your passenger not ordinary one. That is royal passenger because the king and king well-wishers. Boatswain, none that I more love than myself. None that I more love than myself means I don't care of anybody else than of my life. I don't care at all anybody else than of my life. I'll give reverence and respect when I will get alive. Now tempest is coming. On account of approaching of the tempest, such blowing of the fast wind, now here is mania and panic that very soon I'll get that. So first I to think how to control the situation. You are a counselor, you are a minister. If you can command these elements to silence and work the peace of the present, we will not hand a rope more. Will not hand the rope more mean handle the rope more. Further boatswain is making comment just by saying to Gonzalo that you are minister. Can you command, can you control to the blowing of the wind? Can you have command and control to the sea waves? Nature is not your control. No matter you are the minister of the king. If you do like that, I need not to control the rope to manage the ship. Use your authority. If you cannot use your authority, just use your power. Give instruction to the blowing of the wind not to blow. Can you do it? If not, just go from my eyesight. Go to the cabin. If you can't, give thank you have lived so long. If you cannot order to the nature body like blowing of the wind and of the sea waves, it would be better just go to the cabin and say thank you to me because still you are alive. Who is saying? Boatswain. To whom? Gonzalo, the minister of King Alonso. And make yourself ready in your cabin for the mischance of the hour. Just go in your cabin and keep on waiting the time to come of the destruction and damage being of the ship. It's so happening clearly. Good heart. Good heart just indication to the mariners out of our way, I say. Means keep on continue doing the efforts. Just by saying this, boatswain first turn towards the mariners and to whom he is giving instruction that good heart means have patience, have courage, O brave mariners. Out of our way, I say, means it is our duty, it is our way that I will tell you, Gonzalo, and let me walk. Out of our way, I say means boatswain is saying that I do understand what's my duty and responsibility. I would best bear it. Better to go in your cabin. Don't create any interruption. Okay. Now, very significant statement of Gonzalo. I'll teach you in next lecture. I have great comfort. Okay. Thank you.